Will the Minister make a statement on funding for local government?
Government services are funded through the Revenue Support Grant, non-domestic rates, council tax, specific grants from Welsh and UK governments and authorities' own income including fees and charges. In 2019-20, the local government settlement provides 4.2 billion of general funding with a further 900 million in specific grants.
Recently, there have been pockets of antisocial behaviour incidents in my constituency. Ystrad Fechan Cricket Field in Treorchy is the scene of large gatherings of youths which have escalated in seriousness in recent times. Drug paraphernalia and smashed alcohol bottles are frequent sights at this beautiful park in the aftermath of these gatherings. Furthermore, the threat of a large-scale disturbance involving young people from the Rhondda, the Cynon Valley and Pontypridd was thankfully averted due to proactive policing in Pontypridd town centre over the last couple of weeks. Local authorities have a vital role to play in tackling antisocial behaviour at source with their responsibility for youth services. Now in England, a link has been established between areas with the biggest cut to youth services and the sharpest increase in knife crime. Now, I value youth services. I personally benefited from them, as did my friends in Rhondda and Taff. Youth services have been hollowed out as a result of cuts because the Labour administration simply hasn't prioritised youth services. And the result is that young people are left with very little to do, and now we're seeing the fruits of that. So what value does your government place on youth services? And if you agree with me that youth services are vital, will that be reflected in the next local government settlement? And would you also consider issuing guidance to local authority leaders on this matter?
Youth services is not actually in my portfolio, but I'm familiar with
youth services.
But I'm familiar with the issues the member raises. I too regret the decimation of the youth services across Wales as austerity bites across all local authorities. We have announced, the First Minister in his programme for government has announced a welcome boost to youth services across Wales because we recognise the preventative effect that youth services can have that the member ably outlined in her question. And I agree with her entirely. I too benefited from youth services as I grew up. We do have a youth engagement programme still in place. In all local authorities in Wales in order to help those most vulnerable in our society. But she's right, a more general youth service also assists across the piece with all kinds of issues around being a youngster before you're old enough to go to establishments that are licensed and so on, and what on earth do you do between the ages of 12 and 18. So I'm very familiar with the issues that she raises. The First Minister has been very keen to emphasise that we want to put back the heart into youth services in Wales, and we are having discussions with local authorities and the youth service itself and our youth workers across Wales about what the best way to do that is. And I'm sure that, I think it's the Deputy Minister for Health and Social Services, is it? I'm not sure actually, but I'll find out, is looking at that. I did have that in my portfolio, one portfolio ago, so I'm very keen to find that out. And it is a constructive conversation we're having with local authorities who also see that those preventative services prevent the acute end of the chain happening in the first place.